In this video lesson, I will show you what is a buy limit order, how to open it, how to create it, how it works, and also which strategy you will use by using a buy limit order. Inside the MT4 platform, if you are using any other platforms, you can click to open a new order and you will see inside the new window, inside this one, you have several types of orders that you can open. First one is a market execution, which you have a sell or buy button to open the order at the current market price, which you can see on the chart, which is 2368.87. Then you have a drop-down menu here, which you can select a pending order. And the first one, which you have here inside the drop-down menu, you have 4 of them, but the first one is a buy limit, which I will explain to you in this video lesson. Now, first of all, the buy limit or the pending order is the order that will be open in the future. And that means when the price goes to the certain price level, which is below the market price, for example, let's say it is 2367.50 is the price that you would like that the price reaches, and then open a buy limit order. A buy limit order represents an order that will open in the future at the market price, which is below the market price, and then when the price opens this order, you are expecting that the price will retrace and go up. That means when the price reaches 2367.50, you're expecting that the price will rise in value and then close with a profit. You're not expecting that the price will continue to fall down. Now, because the buy limit order represents a buy order, and that means you are expecting that the price will rise in value. So these are two important informations about the buy limit. First one, it is a buy order. That means when the order opens, you are expected that the price will rise in value. And the second one thing is that the buy limit order opens in the future at the price which is below the current market price. So let's say, let me explain to you an example. Inside this window, you have a buy limit, which we have select, and then you need to enter at which price you would like to open this order. I have said an example that the price should be below the market price. So we can say, for example, we can open the buy order at this one, which is 2368.80, for example. Or we can go a little bit more down, and then let's say we can open the order at 2367. That is also an option. So let's say we open the price at 2368. 2368. So when the price goes down from the current market price, goes down to here, 2368, then the order will be open. And when the price opens this order, we are expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, and that means the price will go up. And for example, we are expecting that the price will reach 2369. For example, 2369, we should put here a take profit. A take profit is the price when the order will close with a profit. And the second one is a stop loss, and that means at which price you are expecting to close this order with a loss. If we are opening the order at the market price, which is 2368, then the loss will be if the price goes down, and that means go below the open price. So for example, let's say we should close this order at 2367. Let's put 2367. When you are ready with these 3 values, click the place button and the new order will open. Here inside this row, you can see we have opened buy limit order with the size 0.01 on the symbol gold. Price should be 2368. Now on the chart, you can also see this is the green line that represents the open price. So when the market goes down, for example, like in this example, like it's going, we are expecting that the price will go down. And when the price reaches this price level, it will open this order, which will be active. And then here inside the profit, you will see how the profit changes in the plus or minus. When the price opens this order, we are expecting that the price will reverse back up and continue to rise in value and reach a take profit level which is set here. And we are not expecting that the price will go down to reach the stop loss. If it reaches stop loss, this order will close with a loss. So the idea is always, when you open a buy order, and in this case it is a buy limit, we are expecting that the price will go down, reaches the open price, and then it will reverse back up, going and rising in value to reach our take profit. So this is the idea behind the buy limit order. It is a buy order. We are expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, and it will open in the future when the market drops down in the price value and then reaches the open price for this order. So we will wait until this order has been triggered. I am expecting that the price will drop down in value and it will open this order, and then it will reverse back up. Until that happens, let me explain a strategy that you can use. So for example, if you are using a simple one, which is pretty clean and also it is working, you will see that. It is a strategy that is using a horizontal support and resistance line. And you can see these lines I have put already on the chart where the market bounces from these areas. You can see in this example, when the price reaches a support, it has bounced. When it reaches a resistance, it has bounced and then going down to the support, then again to the resistance, and then the breakout has happened here, where the price continues to the next support, which is right here. And then when the price makes a breakout, it continues to fall down even more to the next one. So in this case, for example, I am expecting that after the price has made a breakout below this support level, I am expecting that the price will come very close to this support and it will bounce back up, just like in this case. When the price has made a breakout here, the price has reached a support level, then it has bounced back up a little bit. So in this case, I am expecting that the price will bounce from this area up to here. So in this case, when the price bounces from this one, the take profit should be just below the resistance. And why it is below resistance? For example, let's take this one here. When the price goes down, it goes below this support level, the breakout happens, go to the next support level. So if we put a buy limit order here, and the stop loss, for example, let's say it here, it is below. In this case, our trade will be activated. Our buy limit will be activated, and we are expecting that the price will bounce from this one and go back up. And our take profit should be just below this start of this resistance, which is a start of supply zone. So for example, let's put take profit right here just below. So when the price bounces from here and activates a buy limit order, I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, and this is what has happened. Take a look here. The price has gone up, go down again to the support level, and then go into the resistance, and it has activated a take profit level. So when the price repeats again the same scenario, the price goes down, I am expecting that the price will bounce from this support level and go up. In this case, if we put here a buy limit order and the stop loss right here below, our trade will open at this market price, and then we are expecting that the price will go up and reach the take profit. If you put a stop loss, the stop loss will be below. In this case, if we trade this one, this would be a failed order because our trade will close with the stop loss because the prices continue to fall down even more. The price did not bounce from this support area. But if you take a look here, how much times this price level repeats that? In this case, for example, let's say here, we open a buy limit order, the price reverses, activates a take profit. Then the price goes down to the next support level, which is here. You activate the buy limit order, stop loss would be here, the take profit would be here, and this would be a profitable trade. In this example here, when the price goes down, you are expecting that the price will bounce. You set a buy limit order, the price goes up and activates a take profit. Did not activate a stop loss. So you can see so much times the price repeats the same scenario at the support level and the price respects that. So you can see how much times you can also make this trade with a buy limit order a profitable one. You can also wait and see how that happens. For example, in this case, when the price activates stop loss, which is a normal thing. You cannot win 100 trades out of 100 trades. You need to have some of them as a loss trade. So this is a normal trading, but on the average, you should have much more profitable trades than the bad trades. So in this case, I am currently waiting for the price to reach this area and then to activate. You can also change the trade by moving this entry price just below that. So we repeat and click modify here, and the new levels will be visible here. You can see that this should be the same scenario I have explained just right now with this one in the past. So I'm expecting that the price will drop and come very close to this support, then it will bounce back up and reach the take profit and not going below that. So we'll see how this trade goes in the future. For now, I will wait for a few minutes to see how the price behaves and will it reach this open price for this buy limit order. Just to give you a few more informations, inside this line you can also cancel this order by clicking the X button, or you can click also double click on it and the window will appear where you can change the price, stop loss and the take profit level. But you can also click the delete button, which will completely delete this order. You can also set expiry date, which means if you would like to automatically close the trade at the specific time and a specific date, you can change that here. And if the trade do not open, for example tomorrow in 24-hour time frame, this order will close without being opened. So this is also one more option that you can use in a pending order that you can have inside the trading platform. So this is currently all. I will wait until the price reaches this area. If the price do not reach in a few minutes, I will finish this video lesson, and maybe sometimes in the future I will make another video where I will show you how this buy limit has been activated and how this is done inside the trading platform. Let's continue back. In this case, we can see that the price has continued to rise in value and has gone above this resistance. So in this case, I will not wait for the price to come down, but I will move the whole trade to the next level, and that means to the next support, and I will click modify. So in this case, what happens? I am expecting that the price will drop down from this currently resistance and it will reach this support level, and when it reaches, this trade will open, and then I will expect that the price rise in value again to reach this take profit instead of going down and reaching the stop loss level, which will be a bad trade with a loss. So let's wait until the price reverses back down and activates a buy limit order. Okay, we can see the market has reached the open price for this buy limit order. I will stretch this a little bit so we can see much more clearly how this behaves. So in this case, the buy limit, which was here, look at it, it is currently open. It is open where we can see the take profit and also a loss on the current trade. Now it is expected that the price will not go even more down, but I am expecting that the price will reverse back up and activate take profit level. But also, if the price continues to fall down, it can also activate a stop loss, which we'll see right in a few minutes. And this is all. This is the buy limit, where we have a buy limit order open and it is closed with a stop loss. Because of this strong movement, we have seen the price did not retrace from this area, which is a support, back up and activate take profit, but the prices continue to fall down even more. So in this case, we can open a new one buy limit with the open price right here and expecting that the price will make a reverse and go up. This is something that you can also test on your own. I will not open a new order and wait for the price reaches so it opens a buy limit. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video. If you would like to check other pending orders, for example, sell limit, buy stop or sell stop, you can also check other videos in the playlist. This is all for this video. See you next time and happy trading.